What are you doing, kuya? Cooking show? Jump! Wow! Let's go, nanay, oh! Maybe, all the way. Maybe I was born there. Yay! Let's go inside, Eli. Come here. Let's go. Oh, come here, Eli. Slide here. Slide here. Come here. Let's go. Daddy, Daddy, sit down. Again, going grocery. Let's go, Eli. Grocery na tayo. Grocery. Oh, get na basket tayo. Oh, get the basket. Put some carrots. Lagay ka ng carrots sa basket mo. Dali. Ito yung carrots, oh. Yan. Oh, get eggplant over there. Get some tomatoes. Magkalahati na yung tomatoes mo. Oh. Get some banana. Oh, hawakan mo kasi to. Oh, hold mo. Yan. Let's go. Get some grapes. Yun. Get some orange. Let's go. Let's go, kami. Grocery mo? Get some corn. Get some, what's that? Bell pepper. Oh, what's the mushroom? Mushroom. Mushroom. What's the mushroom? Over there, mushroom. Cabbage. Kiwi. Squash. Pumpkin pala, pumpkin. Watermelon. Yo, let's go, let's go. Let's go cook. Come on, let's go cook. Let's go wash na muna. Daddy, wash mo yung ano mo. Bili mo. Come here, go there. Saan ka pupunta? Oh, saan ka pupunta? Dito, dito. Wash mo na, dali. Sabaw niya, may upuan. Ngayon, mag-wash po si Eli ng kanyang mga grocery. Oh, wash mo na, dali. Ito, wash mo na itong mga to, dali. Wash mo na lahat yan. Yo. Oh, wash, paano mag-wash? Wash na hands yan. Water mo ng water. Gusto mo ba may water talaga?
Water Eli, pretend only.
Oh, pretend naman, oh. Get naman tayo ng pan. Luluto ka na. O, put some watermelon. Orange, get naman carrot, banana. Wow, watermelon. O, put some orange. Madali, put mo na dyan. Wow. Ay, cook mo na. O, cover mo na muna. Ay, sige na po. Let's make burger. Let's make burger the burger. Oh, here's your plate. Oh, lagay mo dyan. Put it in here. Oh, put the patty. Let's get one. Oh, nawala. Ito mo lagay. Ito mo lagay yung patty. Ayan. Then, put some cheese. Put some bacon. Bacon. Put some tomato. Put some ano ba to? Pickles. Siyempre gusto natin ng gulay din. Lettuce. Lagyan mo dali. Ayan. Cover mo na. Put some there. Lagyan mo na. Close mo na. Wow! Look at this! Balik-balik ko. Bakit yung cheese sa kalabas? Mababayaran na. Open. Oh, awa ng pera. gosh! Walang pera. O, price din, oh. Wow, price! O, let's go na! Let's go! Ayo. Wow! What's that? Let's go play train. What's this? Wow! Look at this, oh. Wow! So play train. Sige, oh, saan mo lalagay mo dito? Galing, ah. Naku po, nawala na. Nawala yung boat. Nasaan ang boat? Yun! Oh. Submarine yan, anak. Hindi yan chopper. Submarine talaga. Anak, wag mo magpilitan sa submarine, magkamukha lang. Hindi, mahanap mo din yan. What's this? Nilay, what's this, oh? Yun! Yung kamukha kasi naman ng gawa, eh, no? Oh. Baligtad, ayan. Baligtad kasi. Ano namang magkamukha, eh, oh. Ayun, oh, dito. Dito malagay. Ginagawa mo, no? Hindi magawa. Ah, baliktad. This one, what's that? Train. How about this one, oh? Wow, last one. Wow, very good. Yay! You like this, oh? Gusto mo uwi na natin to?